I am Senator First Ogola. I'm interested in natural medicines. Ruzu bitters is very good for any human being's health. But Ruzu bitters, I've been using it for several years, and I can guarantee you that it is a guarantee for good health. I promote Ruzu bitters for the entire world, not just Nigeria, to ensure that they take what I take. It is one medicine that does not have any reaction with anybody. It does not mean you should take overdose, but be sure you are taking Ruzu bitters. It is something prepared from Nigeria's herbs. There's no imported component. One other good thing is that you will not see Ruzu bitters expiring. One medicine that is made in Nigeria by a Nigerian formulary, that 3 years it is on, 5 years it is on, because there are no additives that are synthetics. There are no preservatives. I thank you. On this note, I say, have Ruzu bitters daily. It will be useful for your life.